Have you ever wished your Gmail could write emails, reply smartly, and even help you manage your inbox automatically? Well, that's exactly what AI can do. And today, I'll show you how to add AI to your Gmail in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're inside your inbox, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a small plus icon. Click on it. That's your shortcut to adding new tools and features to Gmail. A menu will pop up showing different add-ons. In the search bar, type GPT. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is the same kind of AI behind tools like ChatGPT. This type of AI can draft emails, suggest replies, summarize messages, and even automate repetitive tasks for you. Once the search results load, look for a GPT-powered extension or the AI add-on that best fits your needs. When you find it, click Install. Gmail will ask for a few permissions. Just review them and hit Allow to continue. These permissions are necessary so the AI can safely access your inbox and help you compose and manage emails efficiently. After the installation finishes, you'll notice new features appear inside Gmail, maybe a smart reply window, a side panel, or a quick prompt box to generate responses. Try it out. You can now write professional emails faster, handle your inbox stress-free, and even add a creative touch to your messages, all powered by AI. And that's it. You've successfully added AI to Gmail. A simple setup, but a massive upgrade to how you communicate and work online. Explore the features, tweak the settings, and see how it transforms your daily workflow. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to keep learning and experimenting with the latest AI tools to stay ahead. See you in the next one.